What's up guys, 𝐿𝐻𝐸 here from 𝐿𝐻𝐸. So in today's video, we're actually going to be going through a process of troubleshooting an Android device that is not powering on. Now I do have some universal methods for you. There are going to be a variety of techniques that will work for some, whereas it will not work for others. So be patient, follow the processes, and they should work. Let's get it. Now, the very first thing you want to check is to see whether or not the device is damaged, whether it's water damage or physically damaged. There is a way to figure out whether or not your device is physically damaged, and that is to power it on. Now, here's what should happen. When you power on the device, you are going to notice the LED indicator blinking or lighting solid red, solid blue, solid green, one of those solids. You should be able to see it at the top here. While your device is powering on, I want you to pay attention. So do you hear the device actually powering on? For example, the chimes, the sound it makes when it's powering on. Could you hear that? If you can hear everything working as intended, but you can't see anything, that means you have a broken LCD. Maybe there's a hairline crack somewhere over here. Maybe it's going across the screen, and you're not going to be able to tell whether or not it's physically broken unless you shine a light on there. Now, water damaged phones, if not treated as soon as possible, there's a chance that they're going to short circuit and it'll stop working on you. I am going to recommend that you click the iCard at the top right if you in fact know for a fact that your phone is in fact water damaged. I have a technique there that's going to show you how to revive it if you do it within 2 or 3 days of the water damaged device. Now, once you have determined that your device is neither water damaged or physically damaged, here's what I want you to do. And it's a technique using the charger and the buttons on the actual device. I want you to hold the power button for about 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now take the charger and plug it right in. Oh, that's not even the charger for it. Okay, let's move on to step 2. Try holding the power button volume up simultaneously and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And it should power on if that's the issue. It's going to hard reset it. No, it will not erase any of your data, but it is going to hard reset the device, meaning it'll reboot it. So nothing. And the device should power on after about the 10 to 15 seconds. If it doesn't, this is the technique I was going to show you to do. So hold the power button for about 10-15 seconds. It won't power on. Take your charger, stick it right in there, and it should boot right up. Now, if that method didn't work for you, the very last option I recommend you do is to simply replace the battery. A lot of you guys are going to be like, oh, the back doesn't come off. Yes, it does. I have a ZTZ Max. The back's not made to come off. You could take it off. Once again, you want to figure out a way to take the back panel off your phone and replace the battery. If that doesn't work, then your phone's pretty much effed up. There may be a component on the motherboard that's fried, or you're fucked. There you have it, guys. That pretty much wraps it up for a series, black screen, blinking red light. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. 𝐿𝐻𝐸 here from 𝐿𝐻𝐸. I'm signing out. Peace.